There's been a lot of talk in the news in recent months about the internet or the virtual currency called Bitcoin. And through human history, there have been different kinds of currencies that come and go. But did you know that there's a currency that has been used since the earliest days of our ancestors? A currency that has helped tear down walls, build up trust, and create connections between people? That currency is called storytelling. Whatever your business, you have competitors. And sometimes they can compete with you and beat you on price, service time, delivery, experience, all those different factors. But the one area where they cannot compete with you is your stories. When you can craft and deliver a compelling story that's sensory rich and ties to their emotions, you have a great chance of creating a connection with that individual or those people you're telling the story to and creating business. And that's why I created this video. Hi, I'm Michael Davis of Speaking CPR. My company was designed to help you breathe life into your business presentations and stories. And on May 2nd at the Oasis Conference Center, I'll be speaking for eWomen of Cincinnati. In that program, you'll learn the most powerful storytelling process, and if time allows, you'll pick up some of the 7 keys to help you craft a meaningful and memorable story. So if you want to stand out from a crowded field of competitors, learn how to develop and deliver your story, because when you can do that, people will seek you out to do business, and you will achieve at higher levels than you ever imagined. See you on May 2nd.